This is the Lockpicking Lawyer, and what I have for you today is a Master Lock brand Python cable lock. It was sent in by viewers Brandon and Becky, who apparently had this one sitting around the house for quite some time. It's roughly 20 years old. I have no idea how this stacks up against modern variants. I'll probably pick one up to find out, but for now, let's see how it fares against a low-skill raking attack. I'm going to use bottom of the keyway tension with this 40 thousandths thick turner and a wave rake. These are both part of the Genesis set that I sell over on covertinstruments.com. Okay, you can see after just a couple of jiggles, we got that open. Let's do it one more time so you can see it was not a fluke. And just as quickly, we got it open the second time. Okay, folks, obviously this is a bit of a joke when it comes to pick resistance, and while it's certainly better than nothing, it should never be considered for anything of value. In any case, that's all I have for you today. If you do have any questions or comments about this, please put them below. If you like this video and would like to see more like it, please subscribe, and as always, have a nice day. Thank you.